Hi, I'm Mark, and I hope this camera angle isn't super close, but I'm getting ready to go to this D23 Expo this week. I got my bags packed. I leave Atlanta tomorrow morning, but like I am so nervous and kind of excited. I'm not really just like all nervous, but I'm a little scared because like I hear a lot about this convention, this expo. I've never been. This is my first expo and convention ever, and like people talk about overnight queues, just staying like 12 hours for a studios panel, but like it's the big panel, so I know I'm gonna have to wait like overnight because the reservation system did not work. A lot of craziness, a lot of madness, and I'm gonna bring you guys along, show you guys what it's like, if it's for you, if it's not for you. But I'm hoping to have a good trip. That's all I want, just like a good trip. Just want to see those two panels and do some shopping. Wish me luck. Look how low the monorail is here. It's really low. They have all these Haunted Mansion merch. Haunted Mansion merch for the 50th. That's pretty cool. Oh my goodness. I'm back in the car now. Let me just record this over. Take two. Alright, I'm in the car. I just got done from downtown Disney. I got me some Wetzel's pretzel. But I did the Disney's pop-up thing in downtown Disney, and it's $30. I didn't pay for it, my friend paid for it, but like I don't know if it was worth it. It's more like you pay for Instagram pictures. Like I could see if you like real Instagrammy, but like I don't know, it just wasn't worth it. But right now I'm getting ready to head towards California. Well, I'm in California, idiot. Head towards like downtown LA, do some tourist things, but that don't really cost that much money. You just gotta pay for parking. Grand Central, gonna go to Hollywood. I'm gonna hit up Santa Monica, take some pictures in Venice, and get back. Can we just talk about how sketchy downtown LA is? Yeah. Time is now 3:12. I'm leaving Grand Central. I got my favorite pizza from Olios. I don't know how to say it, but I'm not really that hungry. I'm like super jet lagged, so I got some medicine from Walgreens. So I'm gonna head to Echo Park, but I got this pizza to go because I'm not gonna eat it now. But I'm pretty sure like after a little bit of time passes, I'm gonna get hungry, so I got it to go. Jet 5 parking, so this is Echo Park, everybody. Say hi to it. Well, I'm at Griffith Park. I have to pay $10 for parking because the lot's full on a Tuesday. I wasn't expecting to be busy on a Tuesday, but it's busy on Tuesday. And I have to hike all the way over there.
Going up there behind the word. We're going up there. Yes, we're going right there. That's why I came all the way here.
Mama, I think I made it. I found a new place to take pictures from. Bugs.